Introducing one of the world's strongest and most versatile flip-bolt mortise locks, designed for securing commercial and residential properties. The Carbine Acrobat. The Carbine Acrobat is a flip-bolt mortise lock that offers multiple configurations to suit aluminium and timber sliding or hinge doors and glass hinge doors. Designed to suit the flexibility of any business with its versatile and interchangeable configurations, the two main model options are a holdback and internal deadlock version. Both models allow for multiple internal configurations, such as a double cylinder, turn snip, escape turn snip, short lever and an egress handle. The holdback model, when used with the special cam and concealed short lever, can lock the locking bolt in the retracted position. This makes it ideal for egress applications, as the locking bolt can never be internally locked in the projected position and egress is always available. The internal deadlock model, when used with the special and rabbit cam with the concealed short lever, can internally lock the locking bolt in the door locked position. The Carbine Acrobat is perfectly suited for shop fronts, sliding doors, strata buildings including main entrance doors, office doors, entry and exit doors, showrooms and much more. The Carbine Acrobat has an easy to install mounting system, providing increased durability and more accurate and easier installation. Ergonomically designed with a brushed stainless steel look to seamlessly integrate into existing door hardware or new installations, the Carbine Acrobat provides a plethora of fitting options, all in one model. These include a 1. Double cylinder, key inside and out for added security. 2. Cylinder and oval turn snip, ergonomic oval turn snip with left or right hand configuration in the one product, with a visual indicator, lets users know if the door is locked or unlocked. 3. Cylinder and escape turn, left or right hand configuration in the one product with a visual indicator, lets users know if the door is locked or unlocked. 4. Cylinder and concealed short lever, providing internal deadlock or holdback, contains quick change lever handing for left or right hand configuration. 5. Cylinder and egress handle, suitable for emergency exit doors, contains 4 configuration options in the one product, such as left or right hand 45-degree configuration and left or right hand configuration. The interchangeable stainless steel locking bolts means installers need only carry the 2 models, so they can get the job done fast. Manufactured to precision with a chamfer design, the 3 bolt options include a unique 22mm tapered bolt, 28mm hook bolt, and a longer 35mm hook bolt. The latching strike with a wide mouth opening for improved locking avoids the bolt damaging the strike from slamming, and to also compensate for misaligned doors, making the Carbine Acrobat most suitable for the toughest high-use environments. The Carbine Acrobat takes a standard oval 570 style cylinder, which allows the integration with existing mechanical or electromechanical master key systems, such as EVA 4KS or EKA Cyberlock. To simplify the installation of the cylinder, the Carbine Acrobat uses a retaining pin with no screws, meaning no chance of damaging or losing a screw on install. The Carbine Acrobat can be installed on metal hollow style doors with a minimum internal width of 28mm to max external width of 50mm, on timber doors with a minimum internal width of 32mm to max external width of 50mm, and on glass doors with the optional patch kit. For hollow metal style doors, the Carbine Acrobat locks and latching strike come with additional mounting points for increased holding strength. Furthermore, the Carbine Acrobat can be used with an egress handle, giving full Building Code of Australia and NCC egress compliance. To match the aesthetic design, the Carbine Acrobat contains a high-quality stainless steel escutcheon, covering the oval cylinder with a rubber insert, acting as a clamp for strength. In addition, the nylon vibration-resistant insert, tapered entry latching strike, anti-saw hardened pin, bolt packers for fine adjustments to the locking mechanism, and the additional screw fixing points for added strength were all designed as a result of direct industry feedback. The Carbine Acrobat is a product of years of R&D and testing to be at the Carbine standard of quality and innovative technology, where you can be assured of its strength in security. Order today and harness the functionality and security of Carbine's most versatile and innovative range.